Hi, I'm going to show you the way to connect your Raspberry Pi computer to an old TV set which has only those RCA connectors on the back, no HDMI port or those new digital connectors. Well, your Raspberry Pi is provided with this 3.5mm connector, and it fits with this 4-pin TRRS connector, which of course should be working, yes. And on this end you have RCA connectors. What I have here is a correct pinout. In order to work, you will need this ring here to be connected to ground, and this is the ring on this RCA male, which is also ground. So if you have a cable which corresponds to this pinout, it should work with your Raspberry Pi. You can have another pinout with this ring here carrying some signal, not being ground. It won't work, it just creates problems. So you need precisely this pinout to be able to connect your Raspberry Pi to your old TV. Well, thank you for watching. Bye.